Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, wishing you all a happy St. Patrick's Day. In honor of the patron saint of Ireland, Bishop Patrick, this has become a day of feasting and celebration. A good way to find your feasting dishes is to look at the New Irish Table, recipes from Ireland's top chefs, edited by Leslie Conron Carola, available for checkout at your local library. Today we will be making Guinness Chocolate Cupcakes. Ingredients. For the cupcakes you will need 6 fluid ounces of Guinness, 3/4 cup of butter, a 1/3 cup cocoa powder sifted, 1 cup superfine sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 1/4 cups of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the icing, you will need 10 tablespoons of soft, very soft butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, generous 2 1/2 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar, and chocolate shavings for decoration. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then arrange the cupcake liners in a muffin baking tray. You can optionally spray the liners with a neutral oil spray. Step 2. Pour the Guinness into a medium-sized saucepan. Add the butter and heat gently until melted. Step 3. Remove melted butter and Guinness mixture from heat. Step 4. Stir in the cocoa powder and sugar until fully dissolved and set aside. Step 5. In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs, vanilla extract, and milk. Set aside. Step 6. Pour the cooled Guinness chocolate mixture into a large mixing bowl. Step 7. Mix your baking powder into the flour, whisk together, and then fold the flour mixture into the Guinness chocolate mix. Step 8. Then add the egg, vanilla, and milk mixture to form a thick cake batter. Step 9. Using a 1/4 measuring cup, pour the batter into the prepared cupcake liners. Step 10. Tap gently to release the air bubbles and put the tray in the preheated oven for 15 minutes until the cupcakes are risen and cooked. Here's a tip. Insert a toothpick into the middle of one of the cupcakes. If it comes out clean, then the cupcakes are done. Step 11. Carefully remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool completely before decorating. Hot cupcakes will melt the buttercream. Step 12. If you do not have an electric beater, then use a whisk to cream your butter. Then add in the vanilla extract. You can use a rubber spatula to help break up the clumps. Step 13. Slowly add in the confectioner's sugar, beating with a whisk until thoroughly mixed. This will take a lot of elbow grease without the electric mixer. Here's another tip. Switch between the rubber spatula to help break up the sugary butter clumps while whisking to aerate the frosting. Step 14. When the frosting becomes too thick for the whisk or the rubber spatula, use a wooden spoon to finish creaming the frosting. Step 15. Place a prepped piping bag in a tall glass. This makes it easier to add in your frosting. Then spoon the frosting into the bag until about halfway full. Step 16. Remove the filled piping bag from the glass and twist until frosting begins to come out. Slowly pipe onto the cooled cupcakes, twisting the bag as you go. Step 17. Decorate with the chocolate curls or shavings if you want. Step 18. Serve at room temperature or slightly chilled and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.